I never shot an intro for this, but this is from a trip that we made back in March to Pioneer and Military Memorial Park in downtown Phoenix. I actually read the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments to the Constitution of the United States. If you're wanting to know those first 10 amendments, here they are, folks. Before we get started, I'd like to acknowledge a constitutional companion called Our Nation to Save by Shane Krauser. You can actually get this companion through the website listed below. This is not a paid endorsement. This is just one of the resources that I'll be using for information regarding the Constitution. It's broken down into layman's terms a fourth grader can understand. So, shouts out to Shane Krauser, Your Nation to Save. It is Our Nation to Save. Without further ado, let's go. Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights is comprised of the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution. It is the third and final of our founding documents, ratified on December 15, 1791, when Virginia became the 11th state to approve the amendments. Adding a Bill of Rights was the last major element to emerge from the debate between the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists when the new Constitution was proposed in 1787. Its inclusion proved essential in winning enough support from both sides to guarantee the ratification of the Constitution in 1788. The Bill of Rights thus completed the framework begun with the Declaration of Independence in 1776 and secured the formalization of a new government and the nationhood of the United States. First Amendment. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Second Amendment. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Third Amendment. No soldier shall in time of peace be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. Fourth Amendment. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue, but upon probable causes supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Fifth Amendment. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces, or in the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. The Sixth Amendment reads, in all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. Seventh Amendment reads, in suits at common law where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. The Eighth Amendment. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines composed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. The Ninth Amendment reads that the enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. And the 10th Amendment reads, the power is not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively, or to the people. There you have it, folks, the first 10 amendments, the original power-up for American citizens. Remember, Knowledge is power, and knowing your rights is the ultimate superpower. So go forth, be free, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And hey, if you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more history and more narrations, more knowledge. Until next time, stay curious, stay free, and most importantly, stay awesome. See you next time.